Distance and displacement are two physical quantities that seem to mean the same but are different with different meaning and definition. Distance is the measure of how much ground an object has covered during its motion, while displacement refers to the measure of how far out of place is an object. In this video, let us understand difference between distance and displacement. What is a distance? Distance is the total moment of an object without any regard to direction. We can define distance as to how much ground an object has covered, its starting point or end point. Let us understand the concept of distance with the help of following diagram. The distance here will be 4 meter plus 3 meter plus 5 meter equal to 12 meter. We can write distance formula delta t equal to t1 plus t2. We can write answer 12 meter. What is displacement? Displacement is defined as the changing position of an object. It is a vector quantity and has the direction and magnitude. For an example, it is represented as an arrow that points from starting position to final position. Consider if an object moves from a position A to B, then object's position changes. The changing position of object is known as displacement. Regarding distance and displacement, it is worth noting that distance is a scalar quantity while displacement is a vector quantity, both having same dimension L and also SI unit of meter. Second, the magnitude of displacement is equal to minimum possible distance between 2 points. So we can write distance greater than equal to displacement. Third, for motion between 2 points, displacement is single value while distance depends upon actual path and so can have many values. For a moving particle, distance can never decrease with the time while displacement can. Decrease in displacement with the time means that the body is moving towards the initial position. Fifth, for a moving particle, distance can never be negative or zero while displacement can be. It means that zero displacement means that the body after motion has come back to initial position. Distance greater than 0 but displacement greater or less than 0. Sixth, in general, the magnitude of displacement is not equal to distance. However, it can be so if the motion is along a straight line without changing direction.